Our goal at SmartBear is to make our tech-driven world a better place, and we're proud to be part of your journey. We wish you and your families a wonderful and safe holiday season. And in the words of our employees, thank you.
For trusting us to help solve your challenges both today and tomorrow.
For inspiring us every day to do what we love.
And thank you for helping to build a vibrant community of testers, engineers, and development teams, and for sharing your stories with us.
Warmest wishes from all of us to all of you.
Buon Natale.
Baragdina Féile Nullag.
Happy Christmas from Ireland.
Merry Christmas!
I wanted to thank you for being awesome and to wish you a very happy holiday and New Year.
Thank you so much for choosing to share your quest for unrivaled software with us in 2022.
We are so excited to join you for the next chapter of your team's software development excellence in 2023.
From API lifecycle
to functional testing
To task management.
Our marketing team wishes you a happy holiday season.
Happy holidays!
Happy holidays!